How to see all current follow requests in Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to see all current follow requests on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first option that I can give is to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have updated your Instagram app, simply open it and then click on your profile found on the lower right corner. Once you're here, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner, go to Settings, and search right here, Download Your Information. So click on Download Your Information, type in your email address, and click on Request Download. So once you click on Request Download, it will take up to 48 hours, as what you can see here, to collect this data and send it to you. And then, once you are done, you may now go to your Gmail account. So let's just hop into Gmail. And then right here, as you can see, Instagram has emailed me my information. So click on download information right here, and then it will redirect you to your browser. So just like this one. So simply click on download information and go to your files or your folder. So I'll go to my files right here and extract the file by clicking on it. And once it is extracted, simply click on it and choose the followers and following. So scroll down and look for followers and following. Click on it, and then you should be able to see um, a file which has a name recently follow requests. Since I don't have any follow request, I may not be able to see it. But if you can see that, simply click on it. And once you see it, you may be able to see then the list of the names that you have um, recently requested or requested. So that's it. That's how you can see all current follow requests on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.